Merci, bon Dieu.
In the heart of rural Haiti, where the soil remembers centuries of struggle and survival, a sweet tradition lives on, one that flows from the land to the hands of its people. This is sugarcane, canne à sucre, grown under the Caribbean sun and harvested with nothing but a machete and muscle. For generations, Haitian farmers have done this work by hand, just like their ancestors.
They're gonna squeeze the sugarcane.
Before machines, there was this, a wooden press turned by labor, sometimes even livestock, a method passed down from colonial plantations, but now reclaimed with purpose. In the 1700s, Saint-Domingue, modern-day Haiti, was the world's top sugar producer. But the cost was devastating. Over 500,000 enslaved Africans worked and died on plantations under brutal conditions. Sugar made Europe rich and Haiti ripe for revolution. In 1804, the Haitian Revolution shattered the chains of slavery, but the sugar economy collapsed under foreign embargoes and war. Still, the people preserved what they could, including this humble ritual of turning cane into syrup, spirit, and survival. Today, the taste of fresh cane juice is more than refreshment. It's resilience in liquid form, a sip of history drawn from the land, squeezed by hand. In the story of Haiti, sweetness has always come at a cost. But here, in the shade of these cane fields, it is also where culture, community, and courage are pressed into every drop.